so much, Mrs. Bench, for this amazing video haul. Wow, it's so beautiful. Koa, look at this amazing present I got.
Wow, who's it from?
I don't know. Let's look at the tag. It says Melody and Koa from Mrs. Bench. Mrs. Bench, she's a Fidget Toy Queen. This must be a box full of fidgets. Yay!
Yay! Let's open it.
Wow, it's a giant fidget calendar. Yay! Thank you so much, Mrs. Bench. Go follow her on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram.
And get your own present at the link below.
FidgetToysPlus.com.
It's so beautiful!
Wow, it's so beautiful! And there's so many surprises.
I'm gonna open the first one. Whoa! Wow, it's a solar system visit! I know all the planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Sun. Yay, I love it!
Cool, you got a good one. Now it's my turn, number 2. Ooh, it's a pink squirrel cup. I love it.
My turn, number 3. Whoa! The hot air balloon. Look, it's so cool. Oh, then I love it. It's floating away.
Time for number 4. Ooh, it's a rocket symbol dimple.
Time for number 5. Whoa! Whoa! Wow, a fidget blocks. You can even take them apart.
That's so cool, Koa. Now let's see what's under number 6. Wow, yellow and pink dough balls. It's so satisfying to squish. And it got a pink one too. It's so stretchy. So much fun.
My turn, number 7. Whoa! There's even necklaces. They're fun too. I got red, purple, and pink.
Next is number 8. Wow, it's a giant butterfly poppet. It's so pretty. Koa, you need to help me pop this one. Let's see who can pop their side the fastest.
Time for number 9. Whoa! And it's all like a hydrogen.
Ooh, I want to borrow this one from you, Koa. Time for number 10. Ooh, it's It's an avocado puppet. It's so cute. I love avocados.
I'm gonna do number 11. Whoa! I got an infinity cube. It can make all kind of shape like a cube. It can make a couch. First dance to that.
Oh, wow, look at all the cool fidgets we got. And we're only halfway done. Next is number 12. Wow, it's so cute. And it blows bubbles.
Number 13. Yay, 13. And a floppy ball.
And it's filled with water beads. Here's number 14. It's a rainbow bird fidget. Let's see how it pops. Ta-da!
Now number 15. Oh, and a tangle.
Ooh, tangles are my favorite. Next is number 16. Ooh, it's stickers. I can put these on my phone and laptop.
Time for number 17. Oh my god, Mama.
Next up is 18. Aw, it's a mochi. It's so cute. Number 19. Aw, it's a kangaroo eraser with a baby in its pouch. Time for number 20. Ooh, it's a puppet necklace. So cute. Now I can pop it wherever I go. We're almost done. Let's do 21. It's a caterpillar simple dimple with a keychain. So satisfying. And the final surprise is number 22. It's a shirt. Ooh, it's so pretty. I'm so excited to try it on. It's so cute. How do I look? I love the baby blue color. And it says FidgetToysPlus.com. Thank you so much, Mrs. Bench, for this amazing fidget haul. I love everything, but my favorites were the Tangle and the dodecahedron, plus this giant puppet butterfly. And I also love the rainbow bird and my fidget necklace. Find all these awesome fidgets at FidgetToysPlus.com. Make sure you follow Mrs. Bench on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye!